Here we go. Alright, I will show you all first and then I'll show the camera. That's a cool one. That is very delicate. Sporty.
Thank you.
That is super. Oh, that's praseolite. That's green. That little bit of green in there.
Yeah, it's
so
like the color of my watch almost.
Mm-hmm. A little calcite back there.
Is that what those chunks are?
Yeah, that's a really kind of weird little
that
formation.
Extra stuff on the outside of it, like on the layer.
Yeah.
Like white.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it does have like a greenish coloring, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. And that green is praseolite.
Oh, okay.
Super cool.